What's up, baby? Come here, Blue. Come on. Didn't take him but a second to find something. Come on. Come here. Did you just have a bath? Did you just have a bath? We haven't named him yet. I will name them tonight when I put them up. They just had a bath. He just had a bath. All of them are getting baths today. It's a nice day. Where you going, sweet boy? Where you going, sweet boy? Where you going? Okay, you can't follow me. It's about you, sweetheart. He's a sweet little boy. He's actually very calm and very loving. He's more mellow than the other ones. Right? Is that right? We're going to call you Blue for the moment till I figure out your name tonight.